Hi! In front of me is Nokia T10, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you can't see it, click on this gear instead. Now tap on voice typing and click on the gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you're done, go back to the same settings and click on No Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app or only this time. And after Speak Now command, start talking. So this shouldn't happen. If that happens to you, close your keyboard, go back to it, and click on the same microphone. Now, as you can see, voice typing is working properly. If you wish to stop it, click on No White Microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!